In this video, we're going to learn everything you need to know about Copilot in Windows 11. This never used to be here. If you don't have it here, you need to update your Windows 11 so you can see the same icon that we are talking about here. So in this video, we're going to learn everything you need to know about this Copilot AI feature that we have now in Windows 11. Instead of you just clicking on it, you can also use the keyboard by simply pressing Windows plus C keys. If you want to close, you can also press the same keys. And I'm going to close this. When you open Copilot for the first time, it's going to open these three tabs here. One for creative conversation, and the other one for balanced conversations, and the other one for more precise conversations. Now, the good thing about this is when you bring the mouse on top of this, it's going to tell you the difference between these three. So when I click here, it's also different in color. So when I bring the mouse on top, it's saying start an original and imaginative chart. So if you are this kind of a person, you want to have an imaginative chart, you choose the first option, then you can start having a conversation with this. Then the more balanced here, this is recommended for everyday informed charts. By default, this is where you're going to be when you open this for the first time. Then we also have the more precise, and here you start concise charts. Useful for fact findings. So if you want to find facts about something, you use this instead. Copilot is interesting. You can do different tasks with it. For instance, you can tell it to turn off or on the dark mode. You can also use it to turn off and on Bluetooth. It can also control sound volume on your local machine. So let's say you want to turn off Bluetooth on your local machine. You can simply give it a command or a prompt that says turn off Bluetooth without quotation marks. Then you just click on the submit, and so it's going to show you this prompt here. You have to click on yes to give it permission so it can turn off your Bluetooth. What it is doing here, it's just asking you for permission, so you have to click on the yes. That's how it works. So that's how you turn off Bluetooth. Now, that's not all. Copilot has the ability to do certain tasks also on the local machine. For instance, here you can say change image. You click on submit. It opens the settings app like that. How did it know all this? And this is powerful. Just imagine what it can do. In Copilot, you have the ability to view the history. So you can see the history by clicking on this small round icon on top here. When you click on that, it's going to open a window where you see all the conversations you've had with Copilot. So you can start, you can continue with this, or you can just click on the new chat to start a new conversation. Copilot is here on the taskbar, but also you have it in the web browser. When you open your Microsoft Edge web browser, you see it in the right top corner here. It's there. You can just click on this, and it's going to open a similar window like the one we have on the desktop. So here it's opening, and it looks very similar. We are seeing Copilot here, and you can also see the history, the same history that we have on the local machine. It's also here in the browser. Let's say it's generating the prompt for us. You have the ability to stop this Copilot from continuing responding. So let's say it's writing something about music here according to our prompt. It's generating this, but you can click on stop responding so it can stop responding the answer to you. That's also another feature that's in there in Copilot. We can also ask this Copilot tell us what this web browser is about. What is this? When we press enter, it's going to tell us what this website is about. This is what it's saying here. So for instance, when you scroll up here, it's saying the website you are viewing, save.net, is an online video downloader service. So let's say you are reading a book. You can also summarize books using Copilot. That's a powerful feature that Copilot has in a web browser. Now, Copilot is everywhere. You can have conversations with it as if you're having a conversation with a friend. You can also ask Copilot to give you tips about something. Copilot can also write you an application. So you can just type your requirements here and press enter, and it's going to write an application later for you. And this window can be resized. You can make it big. You can also adjust it. I did not just say this area, but yeah, you can adjust the size of this window so it's bigger. You can see this generated text nicely. So it wrote an application letter for me. You can also do the same for you. This works if you're writing an application letter to find a job, or if you are unable to go to work because you are not feeling well, you are sick. Ask Copilot to write an application letter to your boss to ask for a leave. Above all, you can also perform image search with Copilot. So what you do here, you can just drag an image and drop it here. or you can just click on this button here and just use any of these images here. Tell it to tell you anything about the image. Tell me anything about the image, and Copilot is going to, it knows what this image is about. The image you uploaded is of a sleek, modern SUV with a vibrant orange exterior. And just like that, it knows what this image is about. These are just some of the things that Copilot can do, and people are using it to make money, and so can you. If you have any questions about Copilot or anything that I do create videos about, please leave the comments down in the comments. I will respond to you. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.